Watershed Project sponsors have constructed over 11,000 flood control dams across the nation with the assistance of the USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service, NRCS. Many of these dams were constructed in the 1950s through the 1980s, and over 3,300 dams have reached or have exceeded their 50-year design life. Most of these dams were constructed in rural areas to protect agricultural land. But today, many of them have houses, businesses, highways, and other structures located downstream in the breach inundation zone. It is becoming increasingly important to use all possible means to monitor and manage the dams to ensure they function as they were designed and that they remain safe. To assist project sponsors in this effort, NRCS has entered into an agreement with U.S. Engineering Solutions Corporation to provide a web-based monitoring tool named DamWatch for all NRCS-assisted project dams. This tool will provide real-time monitoring of potential threats to dam safety, including rainfall events and seismic activity. When fully operational, DamWatch can alert essential personnel via any electronic medium, such as smartphones, tablets, pagers, or email, when dams are experiencing a dangerous or critical event. This will allow for resources to be allocated at the right time and place. DamWatch also centralizes and makes accessible all database and geospatial information through an interactive web interface. This will allow NRCS and Watershed Project sponsors to more efficiently manage and access important project dam information such as built drawings, operation and maintenance agreements, emergency action plans, inspection reports, photos, videos, and assessment reports.
A couple of years ago, NRCS started looking at the aging dams, the infrastructure that we have out on the countryside. Right now we have over 11,800 dams across the countryside, and what we have is that we need to maintain these dams, and we also realize that we need a system that we need to monitor these dams that is easy to use and help the project sponsors manage their dam safety program. So when we look at our portfolio of the 11,800 dams, we have over $15 billion worth of investment that provides $2 billion worth of annual benefits. And when we look at this infrastructure, you need a system that needs to be robust and easy to use and help the project sponsors manage their portfolio. So we started looking for a tool that can provide this information to the folks that need it, and we contracted partner with U.S. Engineering Solution, and between NRCS, the project sponsors, and U.S. Solution, we were able to develop this DamWatch tool that is providing the information that we need to the folks that maintain the dams, that regulates the dams, and also provide information to the folks that need it.
DamWatch is one of the most effective and efficient tools that a project sponsor could possibly have in their toolbox. It's not only an information management tool, it's a data management tool, and now it's been configured to be an emergency management tool. And it's especially useful in that emergency management operation in that it will help a project sponsor target their limited resources after a heavy rainfall event so that they can inspect a watershed structure to determine if there's been any kind of damage or if there needs to be any kind of repairs performed on that structure. So we've been fortunate enough in Oklahoma to be the pilot for DamWatch, and we appreciate all that it has done for us, and we're looking forward to using it more extensively in the future.
Well, in Oklahoma, we've got over 2,100 flood control dams, and the thing that I like most, or one of the things I like most about the DamWatch system is that one-stop shopping for the information. anytime that I need anything about a particular dam site, I can just go straight to DamWatch and have anything at the click of a mouse that I need. Comes in really handy also in working with our sponsors on dams. I've had a conservation district call and ask a question about a particular site. We were both able to get on the system at the same time, pull up the same file, same information, and really get a good picture instead of just talking about it, but actually both of us looking at the same information and get a lot better perspective on what their issue was. Other thing with the emergency action features of the system. We've had haven't had a lot of storms in the pilot projects that since we've been running that the last couple of years, but we have had a couple of events. Being able to talk with a sponsor, with a inspector out on the site while the event was occurring, spillway flow was occurring, and while he's talking to me, I'm sitting at home on my computer and entering a ticket to describe what the situation is on that particular site, and then that ticket alert goes out to any of the other people that were on the system for that particular site, and they would know almost in real time exactly where we're at with the status of that particular structure.
The first step in implementing DamWatch was establishing a website and loading dam information into a database. Now, NRCS and project sponsors are receiving training on how to access information and receive alerts. Once fully implemented, DamWatch can be an important tool for NRCS and project sponsors in operating and managing flood control dams. For more information about DamWatch, contact your local Natural Resources Conservation Service office.